We'll discuss the next company as well. So, DroneAcharya Aerial Innovations, that is one of the first drone company IPO. So, इसका क्या story था? कैसे आपने identify किया, invest किया?
So he actually was working for a drone company. It was a Japanese drone company. I don't remember the name now. And he came to raise money to a friend's office for that Japanese company. So my friend liked him, liked the guy. He said, "Why don't you quit? We'll give you money, but why don't you quit and start on your own?" And the guy found had a good background. Father was with ISRO. He did a stint in ISRO, masters in drone technology, essentially aviation technology. So good pedigree, good. He was country head for that company. Young guy, was starting on his own, and so gave them initial capital of 2 odd crores, and he started delivering. And that was the time the drone policies were coming out. Uh, so you could see that there's a future is there, uh, and we kind of betted on the guy. And of course, the stock got a lot of tailwind because of the first drone IPO in India. Uh, Literally, it did really well. But as I said, if you look at any of the drone companies, hardly anyone is making money. That's because largely you dependent on the government, whether it's agri or defense or any other sector. To fly, you need permission. Everything is regulated also. Government is the largest buyer, and we are about 2 years behind. We talk of Drone Didi, the large project where the government was going to procure thousands of drones, has not happened yet. So I think we are almost there where the industry will come back, but it didn't take off as everybody expected. So for us, the investment did well. We exited and we made decent gains. We also did Drone Destination, which was the third drone IPO. Uh, right now, exited from there as well. So we don't have exposure to drone sector anymore. Not averse to entering again. वो पुराना trade था, वो अगला trade होगा. I mean, you could enter again into DroneAcharya or any other company if you feel the valuations are all right and it's coming back at the inflection point now.